In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay seller account step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to start selling online with ease. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. In the search bar, type eBay and press enter. That's going to take you to a list of search results. Click on the first result you see, which should be eBay's official website. Navigating to the right website is crucial to ensure you're creating an account in the right place. Once you're on eBay's homepage, look towards the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that sign in button. If you don't see it right away, try looking in the header where eBay usually displays their main navigation tabs. Now, instead of signing into an existing account, you need to create a new one. Look for an option that says Create Account and click on that. This is where the journey to becoming an eBay seller begins. You're going to want to select Business Account Type since you're setting up an account with the purpose of selling items. When you choose this option, you'll be guided through a specific setup process tailored for sellers. It's time to enter some details about your business. Go ahead and fill in the boxes with your business name, business email, your chosen password, and where your business is registered. Make sure to choose a password that's both strong and memorable, perhaps using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. After filling out all the required fields, click on Create Business Account to proceed. eBay might ask you to verify your email address next, so make sure to check your inbox for a verification code. Enter that code into the designated area on eBay's site to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, you might see an option to skip some introductory steps if you're already familiar with the eBay platform. Click Skip if you wish to bypass this part and head straight to the important stuff. Next, locate the Get Started button and click it to move forward. You'll need to adjust the phone country code to match your business's location. It's crucial that eBay has the correct contact information on file for you. Once you've changed the country code, enter your business phone number in the space provided. Click on Continue to move on to the next stage. Here, you'll need to provide the necessary information to sync your profiles. Make sure everything is accurate to ensure seamless transactions. Finally, the last step requires you to add your financial information and submit any